Welcome back. Today, we're tackling one of the biggest time consuming tasks for any virtual assistant reading through long, messy email threads. We've all been there. A 10-person thread with 100 replies, and you need to figure out the final decision in minutes. Scrolling and searching for that one key detail is a huge waste of time. The solution is simple: let AI do the work for you. By using a single, well crafted prompt, you can transform chaos into clarity. Let's get practical. First, copy the entire email thread into your AI tool's prompt box. Then build your prompt with specific instructions. Start with a direct command like summarize the following email thread. But to make it truly useful, you need to be more specific. Instruct the AI to identify the key decisions made, list all action items, and specify who is responsible for each. And to keep it professional and easy to read, add a final constraint. Keep the summary professional and limited to 3 bullet points. In just a moment, the AI processes everything and produces a clean, concise, and actionable summary. It's that simple. Of course, as your client's assistant, it's always important to give it a quick read to make sure it's accurate and has the right tone. This final human check is critical. This single technique will save you and your clients hours of wasted time, from chaos to clarity in a matter of minutes.